Hello everyone, welcome to Just Boggy. Here I have a quick review, unboxing and first thoughts video. Today we're going to be looking at the modified 3D Pro. Here we go. We'll unbox it quickly in a minute. Brought this from 3DFillaPrint, and the guys over there really take good care of me. Links will be in the description. And just to let you know, I paid with this with my own money. This is not a review. They don't even know I'm making this. But shout out to Arif and Tim. Tim, didn't get to see you, but hopefully I will do. I know you're a busy man. But with that said, let's get on with it. So I haven't even... all I've seen is their website pictures basically. And they gave me a free stand, which has been 3D printed. I forgot to ask them whether they 3DFillaPrint printed these off. I'm guessing they did, because that's the kind of thing they do. Or whether modified 3D Pro printed them. It's got their logo there, but I'm guessing Tim and Arif would have done these. But if you could let me know, Tim or Arif, in the comments. But what a nice touch. So I got that for free for purchasing one of these bad boys. Should get a better unboxing knife really, but that's for another video. So here we go, the modified 3D Pro. Wow. Nice box, nice presentation. For those of you that don't know, this is for people that are 3D printing. It finishes off basically your prints. Now Arif was telling me what he does is when he inserts brass nuts into things, he uses this, it sinks it in, allowing him to then push fit the brass nut effortlessly, so he doesn't have to drill, sand or whatever. So I've heard of people using soldering irons. That's up to them. This has a plethora of bits for your 3D prints. I've used something like this before. It was quite flimsy and it wasn't great and it broke. So let's unbox this anyway and we'll give it a test. I've got a piece that I'm willing to sacrifice. I'm sacrificing it because I've got a couple of the prints. For those of you that don't know, on this channel I am 3D printing a 1/8 scale DeLorean from Back to the Future. So this is going to help really tidy things up and stop me having to sand with little files and sandpaper and stuff like that. Little files there. It's going to make it easier. I mean, it's still going to need tidying up, but nowhere near as bad. So let's unbox this. Lovely presentation. Absolutely lovely. So on top here we have the actual product. It's got an LCD readout there. So it's let's have a look at the box. It says 10 interchangeable tips with special coating, adjustable temperature control, lightweight and compact. It is that is lovely. Rapid heating, LCD display, powerful. There we go. So it's really done nice here, really done nice. So okay, we've got like a soldering iron stand there, which is quite cool, which they always come in useful. So I'm guessing, there we go, perfect. And we have some other boxes. There's our bits, which comes in a nice little case. That's really nice, so you don't lose them. Yeah, liking that. There's all my bits. We'll have a go. We'll pick one and have a go. And we have some instructions. Please read the instructions and safety information before using. Standby. Okay, we'll have a look at that anyway. We don't need to bore you with that at the moment. And let's have a look what we have in the boxes. I'm guessing it's the transformer. Okay, yep, transformer. So we've got UK plug, US plug, EU plug. There we go. So I'll use the UK plug because I am in the good old UK, and this is the power brick itself. Really impressed. The other one I had kind of used USB and it didn't get that hot. Just putting those back there because I like to keep things tidy. There we go. So for the stand, oh, look at that, perfect. So I'm guessing I can put all my bits in there. Not too sure what the back bits are for. Don't know whether, oh okay, I'm wondering whether you can put that in there. Maybe, I don't know. Sorry, I haven't seen a video of how that all goes together. So I'm going to plug this in and we'll get to testing. Okay, so far I am really impressed with the presentation, and with this stand, I love stuff like this. I'll just put these in just to show you off. Okay, so we're looking at something like that. I'm probably not going to keep them on here. I'll use the stand just to keep it tidy in my toolbox, but I don't think I'll keep stuff in there. I'll keep them in here. Lovely little addition though. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. So let's get to testing. So here's my piece that I'm willing to donate to the cause. This is a bit from the Back to the Future model. I have 3 of these. This is the worst one, if you like. So we'll have a look and see how it slices this. So I'm probably going to use, I'm going to be quite harsh and cut stuff. So I'm probably going to use this guillotine looking jobby, and from what I understand is you have the filament in here. You can take this off, but these bits just screw in like so. You want to give it a snug fit, but not, you know, don't over tighten stuff, because you want to be able to get that off, but you don't want to overdo it and break it. It's quite good, well made. So let's plug it in and we'll give it a test. Okay, so we're plugged in. And it's telling me the temperature on here on the readout. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There we go. So the temperature's rising quite nicely, and I can see it's already smoking. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up either, but it's already smoking. Now your temperature control is adjustable via these plus and minus buttons here. I'm on 300 degrees it's set to. I'm gonna knock that down. Then we'll see how she slices. So depending on what you're cutting, if you're cutting just normal PLA, I would be in an open and ventilated area. I am in my garage, so I've got a big or wide open door at the minute, so I'm cool. If you're cutting ABS, again, I would strongly suggest a well ventilated area, plus using a mask, because, you know, ABS is a bit toxic, so be careful. So I'm going to see if I can do this and the camera can pick it up, be careful because this thing is going to get hot. And what you want to do is just let the heat do the work. And that is slicing. If I turn the temperature up, as you can see there, it's made a nice cut, and that was hardly any effort at all. So I'm going to set it a bit higher. I'm going to go to 200. There we go. And it's easily done. You just push and hold that till you see the set thing light up on the LCD panel, and in no time at all it's already reached that temperature. So again, you do not want to push down, just let the heat do the work. And we'll go again and see if the camera can pick this up. That is crazy. That, no effort at all. So I'm going to go to maximum, I think. Probably not maximum because it's going to take a while. We'll just let that heat up, and it's already getting, I really apologise. I'm trying my best to do the camera work and get this in frame. So it's reaching my 400 degrees there. It's not taking that long at all, which is really, really cool. So let's try and see if we can cut the pipe completely off. I've already gone in a little bit, and we're almost, we're there. So 400 degrees. Let's see if this is picking up on camera. Yes, it is. So I'm just sliding it back and forth, and that is going through like a hot knife through butter. That is awesome. So I'm going to have to come over here because that's going to drop on the floor. Wow, that made that effortless. That is crazy. And I can't remember the infill for this product, but I know it's quite hefty. So what I'm going to do is try and cut the base. So let's give that a go. Again, I apologise. I'm trying to do this through my viewfinder as well, and that is that's making light work of that. I mean, this would take me ages via like a hacksaw maybe, and that is just cutting through that effortlessly. That's crazy. I'm actually gobsmacked. That is going to make things so much easier for me. Wow, absolutely no problem at all. Really, 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 really happy with that. Now, it is a bit pricey, but as you can see, that was I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Absolutely gobsmacked. So, would I recommend this product? Hell yes. If you're doing 3D printed projects that require some, you know, really refined cutting and stuff like that. God, that's still a bit hot. Wow. So say for instance I wanted to take this metal pipe off. Let's do it on the workbench. Let's cut that bit off because I'm trying to snap it off, but why when I've got this? Okay, so let me see. Yep, so I want to take this pipe off, and like I say, I'm just swaying it back and forth. I'm putting no pressure on this whatsoever because you will break the filament. You just want to let the heat do the work, and if you find that it's not cutting through enough, just raise the temperature. Look at that. That absolute effortless. And that cut off. Now the base, I don't know if you can see that, the base is pretty damn thick, and it had no problems cutting through that whatsoever. I mean, that is crazy. So there's a couple of edges on this, and oh, that is making such light work, but you want to be careful because this thing is hot. So be really, really careful. That's all I can say. Probably wouldn't want your kid using this, but so I can see why they give you a stand. So I can just set that there while that's still heated. I'll read through the instructions because there are things like such as sleep mode. I'd like to know how that works. If you want an in-depth review of this, where I've gone through the instructions and I teach you how to use the sleep modes and stuff like that, drop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. But as for now, I mean, that was just one of these bits. I mean, there are so many different bits. It's crazy. I mean, that's a scooper. So, you know, for instance, can't do it now because that's too hot. But you could scoop out some of the stuff in the middle there. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed. If you want to go and buy one, like I say, I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and buy this, where I brought it. It's not an affiliate link in any way, shape or form. You know me, guys. I only rep what I believe in. And these guys don't know I'm making this review. I'm sorry it's a really fast review, an initial look, but I'm very happy. I'm not biased in any way. If it was crap, I'd send it back. But this is really going to help me out. As you know, I do suffer with pain and my joints and stuff like that, so this is really going to help me. That is the main reason why I brought it. Anything that can help make my life easier, especially when building bits and pieces, definitely is a plus for me. If it's a plus for you, go to 3DFillaPrint, tell the guys that I sent you. Tim, he owns the store, he owns the actual shop, and Arif, he works there as well. They are both so knowledgeable. I go down there whenever I've got a problem. They're based in Southend, but you can order online and they'll send it to you. Please, 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 if you do, mention my name. I don't get any kickback whatsoever, but it would mean the world to me. You guys know if you've been on the channel before. And with that said, I'm going to wrap this up. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already for useful reviews and tips and tricks. Smash that thumbs up button. You know I like a little cheeky like. Please, please, please give me a cheeky like. It all helps. I'm a small channel. I'm trying to grow. It's very difficult in this day and age, as you know, but it would all be very appreciated. Like I say, if you want to know more, please drop everything you can down in the comments and I'll try and accommodate you as best I can. With that being said, this one's over, guys, and I will see you in the next one.